Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if this is your first time stopping by the channel, make sure that you like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can get updates on all of my videos. So I'm back with another video on this flip that I'm working on. I got to take you on the inside so you can see. Just want to give you guys some updates and a few tips and tricks about, investing in real estate and flipping properties. Okay, so if you tapped into my last video, I showed you guys where we had the dumpster was filled up, so we removed the dumpster. I probably got to get another dumpster, but I got my trailer out here, so I may be able to put some of this trash that we have back here on my trailer, and that way we can save money. You know, when you flipping houses, every little cent counts. Okay, every little cent. So when it comes down to saving money, you got to save money where you can save money at. You got to spend money where you got to spend money at. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys inside real quick because now we have all of the plumbing, the HVAC. We have those two trades pretty much done for the rough end. All right, this house I paid $35,000 for it. It was an off-market deal. Needed a lot of work. Needed some framing, all that stuff like that. It needed everything. So, but these are the best deals, all right? These are the best deals that, money can really buy. So I'm gonna take y'all on the inside so y'all can see, the progress. All right, so yesterday I went and got some doors right there. And I got these doors for a pretty good deal, about 600 bucks for, that's including tax for both of them. That's the front and back door. As y'all can see, we laid out a design for this house that we wanted, so we added a washroom. It didn't have a washroom, so we added a little washroom. As y'all can see, the plumbing is roughed in right there. We also added a window, and y'all will see that, as we progress through the rehab. And let's go over here to the kitchen. So right here will be the sink right here. And then we'll have the dishwasher next to it. We'll have the refrigerator right here. Y'all can see everything is plumbed in with an ice maker right there for the refrigerator, ice maker. And then this is the bathroom. Y'all see we got the tub sat in. They got everything plumbed out for the rough end inspection right here. And let's go over into, this is the bathroom that I was telling you guys we were gonna add in here. So it was a 3-1 when I initially purchased the house, but we decided to make it a 3-2. That way it'll up the value in it. So this is the bathroom. I'm walking in, sink right here, toilet right here, and then the shower. Okay, so feel pretty decent. It's not gonna be a huge bathroom because the house is small, but it'll work for sure. We'll get a small sink sit right there. I know some of you guys probably like, oh, it's a small bathroom, but yeah, it is small, but it's gonna work. We set the toilet, so the toilet is gonna sit. Your toilet is gonna sit like facing the shower. Okay, so you can see the shower, and then you'll see the toilet is gonna sit facing that way. All right. So today, the electrician is supposed to be coming today. And once the electrician comes and rough everything out, we will be ready for our inspections. Okay, so we'll have all our trades. HVAC is installed. What else? Plumbing and electrical. So once we get all 3 of those trades, I can call in for an inspection. Once they come out, inspect everything, if everything is good, then I can move forward with sheetrocking. Okay. Over the weekend, let me show y'all how fast this thing gonna move. Okay. So over the weekend, if y'all looking at the outside of this, right, it's probably the last time y'all gonna see it looking like this right here. Because over the weekend, all of this is gonna be taken care of. the facial boards, all of that, and then we're gonna wrap the whole house in boards around the house, plyboard, and then they'll come back and wrap it with plastic. I'm sorry. They'll come back and wrap it with plastic, and then that's when we'll be ready to install windows and siding. Okay, so this is how fast this project can move. I'm gonna take y'all around here so y'all can see. The HVAC, because HVAC end up still having to go up under the house, and so which is fine, no big deal. Y'all can see the HVAC system, everything under there. I'll put a door right here so this thing can swing in and out, and we can get in and out of there with no problems. Y'all can see the old plumbing, old HVAC, all that stuff like that. And again, all boards will go all around this house. All of this stuff will be done. Y'all can look at the top of the facial boards and the cunning. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. Flip moving pretty fast, to be honest with you, pretty swift. And I figured it would, but we really on time, really on course. I would say I would give ourselves about another month, maybe, to go ahead and, because the hard part is really, it's just, the punch out list when it's time to finish up and complete the project. It's just a punch out. And a punch out is just the finishing touches on the project. So, going in, touching up, making sure everything is A1 and ready to put on the market. All right. Let me go over some price quotes for you real quick. So, for my plumbing was $5,700, HVAC $6,400, electrical $8,000. Okay, so that was what I spent on electrical, HVAC, and plumbing. All right, so it's close to like 20 grand for a little over 20 grand for all three trades. Okay, all of the other work, labor is probably gonna be about it came up to like 20 some grand. And then of course I do a lot of work myself, so I'll be saving a lot of money. This is how I'm able to maximize my money on my profit, you know what I'm saying, by putting in a little sweat equity. Okay, so that's what I'm doing today. That's what we're working on today. I hope that this video was able to bring you some insight on flipping, maybe just give you some encouragement, some motivation. I appreciate you guys for tapping into the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.